Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to swap USDT to BNB in Trust Wallet. Alright, so first off, make sure you've installed the Trust Wallet application and you have your account set up with your USDT. Alright guys, so you've been wondering how to swap your USDT to other tokens such as other USDTs or other tokens on different networks. So in order to go about this, use the search at the top of the screen to search for your USDT. So let's say you hold your USDT on the Polygon network. You have some USDT here. How can you swap this USDT into BNB tokens? It's quite simple. Trust Wallet now supports cross-chain bridging, which simply means you could bridge your tokens, that's your USDT on the Polygon network, over to BNB tokens or USDT on the BNB network. Yes, you can do that. So all you need to do is simply click on the swap. Now, another good thing that is still included in Trust Wallet is you can also do local network swaps. That's from USDT Polygon to pure Polygon or USDT on the BNB chain or BNB itself. To do this, where we have the Polygon network drop down, click on Polygon and simply select the BNB Smart Chain. So once you've selected the BNB Smart Chain, if you enter the amount of Polygon USDT you wish to swap, all you need to do now is simply pay gas fees and the bridge fee. Now remember, I told you could make a direct bridge from the Polygon network to the BNB Smart Chain network. These are two different networks, so you're going to have to pay the cross-chain bridge fee, and you might also pay some other gas fees as well from your local network. So it's the same if you're converting from the Polygon network USDT to normal Polygon, you have to pay gas fees, but if you're doing cross-chain, you have to pay the cross-chain fees. So guys, that's how you can easily convert your USDT to BNB. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.